In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to upload a PDF onto Google Docs and edit it, so be sure to watch this video until the very end to prevent any mistakes in the process. As you can see, if you click on File and Open, if I want to open a file from my computer, and I click on Browse and I find the document that I would like to upload, it actually will say that it is not supported for upload. So what you're going to need to do is go on to Google Drive and click on the official website, go to Drive, and then click on New at the top left corner, click on File Upload, and then once again find the file that you want to upload, and at the bottom right, you're going to click it once the upload is complete, and as you can see, you can click on Open With and click on Google Docs, and it should automatically open, and this will convert your PDF into a Google Doc. And that's all there is to it. Be sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.